What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. My name is Taina. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, thank you for rocking with your girl. So I have been loving wearing this hairstyle. This is like my go-to hairstyle recently. It's perfect for work if you want to, you know, have your hair put up and still look polished and professional. It's perfect for casual days, running errands, hanging out with your peoples, and even if you're going to the beach or someplace really windy and you want your hair out but you still want it out of your face. So super easy hairstyle, super easy to accomplish, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. First off, you're going to need a scarf of your choice. Now, I like these rectangle type scarves that are like, you know, this length, a rectangle, not too long, not too full. So here's one that I like to use, and then another one is like this. So you can see it's just a pretty thin, lightweight scarf that's like a rectangle in nature. Then you're also either going to need your hair if you just want to use your own hair, or if you want to add some extra pizzazz to it, then you're going to need a half wig of choice. So this is the half wig I'm using. This is Outre Ashani. I have a whole video on this wig. Y'all, this wig has been so good to me during this cold season. Like, I have rocked the hell out of this wig. So this one is actually the same one that I first purchased. So she's getting quite nappy and raggedy, but we not quite ready to give her up yet. So this is just how, you know, the wig that I've been using. I think she's very natural. You want to make sure whatever wig piece you're going to be using is one that fits your hair very well. You do not want one that's too big for you. It has to fit snugly. This is where drawstring half wigs come into place, where they're really good. I prefer those. This one is not a drawstring, but it works very well as long as I keep her on the highest setting with the adjustable straps. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is take my hair out here. I'm going to go ahead and just lay my edges first, okay? And it's very important that your edges look pretty good and put together for this look to look really natural and seamless. So then, because I have short hair, I'm going to go ahead and pull all my hair to the back. You can braid up your hair if you like. It really doesn't matter. This look requires no leave-in. You can go ahead and tie down your edges for about 5 to 10 minutes if you prefer. I'm just going to leave mine, but this is how it's looking. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my half wig and pop her on. And I'm going to pop her on very close to my hairline because this is it's gotten stretched out, so it does move. So for me, I'm going to pop her on right at the very front and work that comb in there. I'm going to grab my scarf and I'm going to just make sure it's even on both sides. And I'm going to grab it, and so it's just a thin line. I don't want it to be stretched out. I don't want it to be all bunched out. I want it to be thin. Thin like this. I'm going to go ahead and start here at the top and bring it underneath. Make sure your wig is tucked underneath like so, and bring this slightly back to where a little bit of your hair is showing. And you're going to tighten the sides. Again, if they're not completely even, it's not big of a deal, but try to make them as even as possible. And you're going to cross around the front like so. Going to create a bow. Like that. Okay? Then you're going to take the ends and just tuck it behind the sides. Okay? I'm going to do the same on the other side. Pull it back. Push it behind on this side. Now, because I cut this wig, I have some shorter pieces. I just go ahead and tuck them in because you guys know I cut some bangs into this unit if you watched my other video. But if your unit doesn't have any short pieces, then you should be good to go. But for me, I have to tuck them in here so it doesn't look all that funny. And that's it. It's very simple, it's very cute, and this is like my go-to style. So I hope this has been helpful for you. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know if you have any questions. See y'all later.